Happy evening, friends. Today, I would like to discuss Buddha's teachings or Buddha's quotations with you. I feel it's better to recall Buddha's teachings or Buddha's quotations during this COVID-19 period. Friends, you might be knowing all these quotations, but I just wanted to make you to recall those quotations. So what Buddha said about happiness. So happiness is not the absence of problems, it is the ability to deal with them. How does a person get happiness? So if a person is so happy doesn't mean he is not having any problems. So happiness for that person is due to his ability to deal with the problems. Remember, people who are so happy are also having problems. People who are happy doesn't mean they do not have problems. Another important quotation, what Buddha said is, don't blame people for disappointing you. You blame yourself for expecting too much from them. So we expect a lot from our friends. When those expectations are not fulfilled or those are not met, we start feeling bad about them or we are being disappointed. And we start blaming others for your disappointment. So don't expect too much from others, and expecting too much from others is the reason for our disappointment, so that you will have to blame yourself, not others. Don't expect too much from others for your disappointment. So you blame yourself for expecting a lot from them. So another important quotation Buddha said is beautiful quotation. So what Buddha said, the best ornament in any person's life is humility. You should exhibit humility. It's very important in life. That should be the best ornament in a life. The richest wealth for any person is his wisdom. And the strongest weapon for any person is patience. So that is essential. Patience. So the best security in life is faith. The best tonic in the life is laughter. So let's look at that. The best ornament is humility. Richest wealth is the wisdom. Strongest weapon is the patience, and the best security is the faith. The best tonic is laughter. So Buddhaji also said one more thing. When you are wrong, admit it quickly. When you are right, be quiet. When you are right, you need not express it, you need not tell to people. Be quiet. But when you are wrong, immediately admit it. So another important quotation Buddha said about forgiveness. When you are forgiving somebody means that forgiveness does not excuse their behavior. Forgiveness prevents their behavior from destroying your heart. So remember that. A happy person is happy not because everything is right in his life. He is happy because his attitude towards everything is right in a life. So his attitude towards everything is right, because of that he is happy. But everything is not right in his life. So many obstacles may come. Everything may not be right in his life, but his attitude towards everything in the life is right. There are 3 solutions to any problem. What Buddhaji said, what Lord Buddha taught us. There are three solutions to every problem. First solution, accept it. Second solution, change it. Third solution is leave it. So that if you cannot accept a problem, try to change it. If you cannot change that problem, simply leave it. Accept it, change it, leave it. So when a problem arises, accept it and try to find out solutions for that. If you cannot accept it, try to change it. If you cannot change, leave that problem. Wonderful. What Buddhaji said about love. Love is not what you say. Love is what you do. Love should be in action, not in words. So, and one more thing, what Buddhaji said. So the one bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. Life is a battle where you will have to face lot of failures as well as successes. One failure or one bad chapter doesn't end your story. And the last quotation I would like to tell you is, silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Please remember. Suppose a person doesn't value your words, a person doesn't agree what you say, and he doesn't agree with your attitude, with your ideas, then silence is the best answer to that person. Remember how beautiful it is. When a person doesn't like your ideas, whatever you say, he starts arguing. Silence is the best medicine. Silence is the best answer to that person who doesn't value your words, your ideas, your actions, your planning. Silence is the best medicine. Silence is the best thing to that person who doesn't value your words. These are the Buddha's teaching I would like to share with you at this moment. So, Shubham Bhuyat. Namaste.